How to fix TikTok app recharge problem. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I'll show you that how can you fix the problem like TikTok app recharge on your TikTok ID. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open TikTok app with your account. Alright, so once you open TikTok with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on this profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from here tap on three line just at the top right corner. And now from here tap on setting and privacy. Okay, so from here you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the options like report a problem. Okay, so simply from here scroll down at the bottom and go the option chat with us, so simply tap on it. Alright, so from this section you'll have to choose the option account. And now from here in this field, you'll have to explain your problem in briefly that you are suffering this problem like TikTok app recharge on your device. So from here, after you made a request or explain your problem briefly to the TikTok support team, they will surely review that problem in few couple of hours, and then they will provide you some guidelines or procedure to fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest way. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.